Hi there, and welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up kitchen details in the Bookingjini PMS application, step by step. Whether you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, log into your PMS dashboard using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the sidebar menu and click on Settings. From there, select F&B Setup. Now on the next screen, go ahead and click on Kitchen Setup. Here you'll see a list of all the kitchens that have already been added to your system. If you want to add a new one, just click on the Add New button in the top right corner. A form will pop up asking for some basic details: kitchen name, kitchen type, timing, and a short description. Fill in all the details carefully, and when you're done, click Submit. That's it. Your kitchen is now added. From here, you can continue setting things up by adding item groups and individual items to complete your kitchen setup. And there you go. You've successfully configured your kitchen in the PMS. If you run into any issues or have questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help. You can also check the video description below for more helpful guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.